Hi, welcome to Tea with Mandy. Thanks for following along. I'm going to be making another Dollar Tree DIY craft today. We are redoing my daughter's room, and her theme right now is a lot of vines and greenery and succulents. So we're going to be making a succulent wall planter. I purchased all of these items from the Dollar Tree. Very inexpensive, quick craft, so I hope you enjoy. I started out by painting the inside of my wooden sign green. I wanted to make sure that the dinosaur did not show through, so once it had dried, I came back in and I painted on a second coat. I found these magnifying sheets at the Dollar Tree. I was looking for something that would resemble plastic or glass that I could use on the front of my planter, but I needed something that was sturdy enough to hold in the white rocks and the succulents. These magnifying sheets worked perfect, and they were easy to cut and shape to the size that I needed and then hot glue onto the front of my planter. Next, I started to hot glue in my succulents. I used my magnifying sheet to make sure I hot glued them in the correct position because I wanted some of the succulents to kind of hang over the side. I glued down floral moss to cover up the hot glue and the succulent stems. Down my white rocks. I wanted a layer to stay in place when we hung the planter on the wall so that they didn't completely shift to the bottom of the planter. Once my first layer of white rocks were glued down, I did glue down a second layer, and then I was ready to attach my magnifying sheet to the front. A few pieces of greenery to the front of the magnifying sheet just to make it appear as if the succulents were kind of growing over the side. Braided some twine, and then I hot glued it to the bottom edge of my planter. there you go. We're all finished with our succulent wall planter. Thank you guys for following along. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I would love to have you follow along with my future videos. Thanks for joining Tea with Mandy.